Hello, everybody. Welcome
Surface
to.
reveal. Hey.
Oh wow. Okay, cool. Hello, everybody. This is the another word game. So I hope you all enjoy the content. Marton, will you give the word?
Turns into a horse.
And that's my thinking face.
What was that noise?
You sound like a cat.
Okay. Bye. Oh my god. Goddamn right.
What are you on about, Marton?
Alright.
I got the word. Hey.
What the hell?
Oh my god. Here's the word.
Okay. Kikuishki. What?
It sounds like someone tickled him. He's like, take a whiskey.
Okay. Kikuisiki Tishasho. What?
You sound like you're teaching someone to cook porridge. Kiki whiskey chako.
Kaiko. Yes! Horse! Horse! What is it?
Marton, what are you doing?
I thought I was gonna sneeze.
It's like to the power of the sneeze gods. 3, 2, 1. Achoo!
Yeah.
What? Andrew, why is like yellow turning yellow stuff?
Yellow turning. Yeah. What?
The lights behind you are turning yellow.
Probably because of the lighting.
Okay, Kikusiskiti. Kikusikiti.
Kikusiskiti.
What the f- Jesus! Kikuskiti, Sasho.
Kikuskiti shacho.
Hey, shout out to IV 4cam.
What? No,
Yeah.
no, it's only IV cam, not IV4.
Oh. I thought IV meant for in like Egyptian letters, numbers.
That's Roman letters, boy, not Egyptian.
Well,
It's Roman numerals.
I don't know Roman.
Okay.
Kikuila. Wait, Kikusi. Holy shit, dude.
I am the Dracula. This is my assistant, Kikuila. How do you pronounce it, Marton?
Damn it! Why did the sneeze not come out? God damn it!
You look like some higher power just blessing you with power through your forehead. Renata!
Renata! Okay.
Jesus, my mio just.
Renata, to let you know, we are playing the word game right now.
Oh my gosh! I need to blow my nose.
Ink just has the baby face.
Oh.
What the fuck? Oh, well, don't hydrate because if you take a sip from jug and then you start jug and then the. What the fuck?
Sorry. You okay?
Both of their faces.
Okay, carry on, Marton. Carry on, Marton! Not Renata, my back!
Oh.
Okay, seriously now.
Okay.
Low kick.
Look, what?
What?
Do we have a
said
Mortal
low.
Kombat? Oh, you said low kick. I thought we have a Mortal Kombat
Oh.
fighter here. All
Okay,
of a
so
sudden, Renata will be like, fatality.
Mom is hiding over there.
Get over here!
Martin, that view from your camera is not looking good.
Yeah, like, oh, yeah, I don't know what is happening. Oh my god. I'm
Get
gonna,
over here!
I'm gonna I'm gonna close my windows then.
That's this.
Is that baby? Is that baby on the background?
Yeah.
Baby, hi, baby.
Hey!
Tell her we said hi.
Hello.
They're saying hi.
Wow.
They don't understand. They don't understand.
They're just staring at you like shoo wee wee. Score Lewisness. What was that?
Oh my god, my nose, goddamn allergies.
That sounds like a trumpet in a swing jazz song.
Alright. My granny. What?
My granny.
No, 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 no,
What are you laughing at?
My Ganny.
My granny.
Diaper? What the hell?
Oh, god.
Diaper.
What?
Diaper. My diaper. Here is my diaper. My granny diaper.
Oh my god, Rob!
What the hell? Renata just became emo out of nowhere.
What? What the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck is happening? Where did that come from?
What?
No. He looks like a ghost. I'm gonna scare you.
I don't know what.
Oh.
Sorry, Renata. That was just a joke. Sorry, buddy.
Martin, are you trying to like direct a movie or something?
No, I'm trying to. No.
Skoro govorish? Nue,
Sorry?
Oh, what?
perverts? Oh god.
What?
He's not out. At the same time.
Why are you oinking?
Doesn't sound like oinking. Okay, can we not turn this into like an anime?
Anime planet!
There's literally a website called Anime Planet. It's a diction. It's like Wikipedia for all anime shows. I'm not kidding.
Alright, I got it.
Okay.
Oh, this is easy. How much can it? Oh, never mind. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck chuck for wood? How much could a woodchuck? How much could you
Whoosh! Whoosh!
No.
It's
How
much
much
longer
wood
than
would a woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck would? There you go.
that. Yeah, hey!
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck chuck catch wood? Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's.
How much wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck could chuck wood? Oh!